to my channel. So right here I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. I did 2 separate transactions. This right here is my first transaction and this is my second transaction. In both transactions, I use the paper booster, get 5,000 points when you spend $20. And then on this transaction, I used some registry rewards that I needed to get rid of. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the first transaction. But before I get started, if you are watching this video and you are not currently subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate if you can take the time out to go ahead and subscribe, along with hitting that notification bell so that you will be aware of each time that I upload a video. So I would really appreciate if you guys can go ahead and do that. Also, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And so let's go ahead and get into the first transaction. So right here in my first transaction, I have 2 Irish Spring body washes, 2 Colgate toothpaste, and 2 Crest toothpaste. So with the Irish Spring this week at Walgreens, these are priced at $4.99. The deal is buy 2 and get 5,000 points. There are some coupons that you can use on these. I know there are some $1 off coupons. I'm not quite sure which insert. And you can go to the Irish Spring website and print off 2 of the 75-cent off of 1 Irish Spring coupons. I've already used those coupons. I've already printed off the maximum amount. So I was unable to use coupons on this transaction. But if you do have coupons, most definitely use that and it will make these even cheaper for you. So buy 2, get 5,000 points. They are priced at $4.99. So you will buy 2 at $4.99. So that will bring your total to $9.98 for both. And again, if you have coupons, use them. It'll be cheaper. But in my case, I didn't use any coupons on these. For the Colgate toothpaste, the Colgate this week as well at Walgreens is priced at $3.99. The deal is buy 2, get 5,000 points. There are 2 $1 off of 1 digital coupons that you can use on these. So when you buy 2 at $3.99, that'll bring your total to $7.98. When you use both of those $1 off coupons totaling $2, it'll bring your total down to just $5.98. Since you purchased 2, you will receive 5,000 points. That'll bring your total down to 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. Right here with the Crest Pro Health Advanced toothpaste. So these are priced at Walgreens this week for $2.99. The deal is buy 2, get 4,000 points. There is a $5 off of 2 digital coupons that I used on this. So when you buy 2 at $2.99, that'll bring your total to $5.98. You will then use that digital coupon. After using that coupon, it'll bring your total down to just 98 cents. You will pay 98 cents out of pocket, and then you will get back 4,000 points. So that will make these toothpaste completely free, plus a $3.02 moneymaker. So super duper easy deals to do in this transaction, you guys. And I have like a ton of the paper boosters, get 5,000 points when you spend 20. So I was just trying to find items that I can get that will give me points back. And so this is what I came up with. And so let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So right here are both of the Colgate. Both of them did ring up at $3.99, so $7.98. Both Crest rung up at $2.99, so $5.98. Both Irish Spring rung up at $4.99, so $9.98. And right here where it says photo finishing, this is the free 8x10 photo that I got about 2 weeks ago at Walgreens, and I just never gotten around to picking it up. So today I decided to pick it up, and as you can see, it did ring up for free. And then right here where it says point coupon $20 purchase, this is the paper get 5,000 points when you spend $20 booster that I used. As you can see, both of the Colgate digital coupons came off $1, and then the Crest $5 off digital coupon came off as well. So all coupons came off, and as you can see right here, it brought my overall subtotal to $16.94, not including taxes. And then when you look down here where it says everyday points, I got back 230, and for the bonus points, I got back 24,000. So I spent $16.94 out of pocket, and I got back $24. I got back 5,000 points for the Irish Spring, 5,000 points for the Colgate, 4,000 points for the Crest, 5,000 points for spending 20, And I also hit beauty. So I got back an additional 5,000 points for reaching beauty. So that is where all of my points came from. So again, you guys, I paid $16.94 out of pocket and I got back 24,000 points. So this was a completely free transaction. So if you guys are looking for items to use with your spin boosters, this is an easy deal for you to So that is everything in the first transaction. So let's go ahead and get into the second transaction. So in my second transactions, as you can see, I have 2 bags of the Cool Ranch Doritos, 2 of the Irish Spring body washes, 2 packages of the Oreo Mega Stuffed cookies, and I have a Hershey's chocolate bar right here. So in this transaction right here, I did use registry rewards, and I also used a get 5,000 points when you spend $20 paper booster. So in this transaction, my goal was to get back whatever I had to actually spend out of pocket. And so I was able to do that. So with the Doritos this week at Walgreens, they are priced at 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. Same thing with the Oreo Mega Stuffed cookies. They are priced at 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. And as I explained in the first transaction, the soft soap is on sale for $4.99. The deal is buy 2, get 5,000 points. If you have coupons, use the coupons to make, and it'll make them even cheaper. And then right here, the Hershey's bar is priced this week for 79 cents. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So right here, as you can see, both bags of Doritos rung up at $5 total. Both bags of Oreo rung up $2.50 each, so $5. The Hershey's candy bar rung up at 79 cents. And both Irish Spring rung up at $4.99, so $9.98. And as you can see, the point coupon purchase, that's the get 5,000 points when you spend 20 paper booster that I used. And then I used a total of 4 $3 off registry rewards. And so with using the registry rewards, it brought my overall subtotal to $8.77. And when you look down here, for my everyday points, I got back 200. And for my bonus points, I got back 10,000. So I got back 5,000 points for the Irish Spring and 5,000 points for spending 20. And like I said, my goal was to whatever I spent out of pocket, I wanted to get that back in points. So I spent $8.77 out of pocket, and I did get my 10,000 points back. I should get my $10 back. So that worked out well. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this. I still have a few more boosters that I plan to use. I have a few more get 5,000 when you spend 20, and then I also have about 2 of the get 6,000 when you spend 30. So I'm going to see what other deals that I can whip up. More than likely, I'm probably going to do some of the same deals just so that I can turn that booster into some points. So that's going to be pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you all enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Oh, one more thing, you guys. So I did an online order at the beginning of April, I think, whenever they had the Always and the tampons for 2 for $8. Whatever week they had those 2 for $8, I went online and I did a deal, and I just received my deal today. So, I mean, my package today. So my question is, how do I know when the points will attached to my account? Because I did the okay, actually let me show you guys what I got. Okay guys, so here's my package today. I just got it today. Here's my package, and this is what I got, and this was a part of the P&G deal. So I got both boxes of my Tampax tampons. I got both boxes of my Always liners, and then I got Gain. So these were priced at 2 for $8, and then $4.99. And this was a part of the P&G deal. So when I spent $20, I would have gotten back 5,000 points, I think, if I remember correctly. So when I purchased this, the total amount that it showed that I was going to get back was 10,200 points. So how do I know if those points have been added to my account? Like, exactly where do I check? Because I don't order off of Walgreens often, and so I'm not quite sure where I should find my points. Like, do I just supposed to check my point activity, or will I receive an email or something like that? I don't know. So if any of you have or is, used to ordering offline, how long does it take for you to receive your points, and also where should I check my points. So if you guys can help me with that, that would be really, really great. Okay, you guys, so yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. If you are not following me on Instagram, I will have a link in the description box that you can go directly to my Instagram, and I will also have my Instagram name on the screen for you guys. If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And with that being said, I will see you all in my next one.